Hello, my name is Tuomo Alhojärvi and I work as a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Eastern Finland. Today I'm going to give you a short introduction to the postcapitalist approach of feminist economic geographers J.K. Gibson-Graham. So there is an emerging interest in post-capitalist economies, which is exacerbated by the unraveling and outright annihilation of social and ecological life all around us. The search for alternatives is built into these times, and thinking hard about what is or what might be possible despite all, and how best to think with as well as amplify alternatives, is what is demanded of us just now. If nothing else, that's the message I would like to convey today. But Gibson-Graham's strategy towards post-capitalist economies is quite original compared to many other approaches, and it warrants a bit of explanation. So Gibson-Graham is the pen name of Catherine Gibson and the late Julie Graham, two feminist economic geographers from Australia and the United States, respectively. This explains why I tend to use Gibson-Graham as a plural name. Gibson-Graham or Gibson and Graham began their research careers as economic geographers interested in regional economies, gendered labor, and structural transformations within the global hegemony of capitalism. However, since the birth of this collective authorial figure of J.K. Gibson-Graham in the early and mid-1990s, this work has concentrated explicitly on working against such an idea of a singular, all-prevailing economic order. When I talk about Gibson-Graham's work, it's crucial to underline that this has been an explicitly collaborative project from the start. Not only is Gibson-Graham a collective author, but the work has been developed in close collaboration with a group called Community Economies Collective, recently renamed as Community Economies Institute. There is also something called the Community Economies Research Network, consisting currently of over 330 members across the globe. There is a yearly online conference dedicated to this work. There are winter and summer schools, and the recent publication of the Handbook of Diverse Economies has greatly contributed to the vision of this approach as a convergence of researchers and practitioners all around. And as you may have already noticed, this framework has many names. Sometimes it's called the Diverse Economies Framework. Some people prefer the Community Economies Framework. Sometimes it's simply called a post-capitalist approach. All of these names capture different sides of the approach, which I will try to explore here. So I will go through Gibson-Graham's work in 3 steps. Firstly, I present the critique of capitalocentrism, or the discursive, affective, or political prioritization of capitalist economies. This line of critique opens some original vistas into thinking about existing and possible economies in the plural. Secondly, I discuss the alternative economic landscape that Gibson-Graham paints. This is a view that illustrates economy as a terrain that is heterogeneous, interdependent, and continuously reshaped. Thirdly, I explore some of the political implications of this approach, explaining what the community economy is about. To conclude, I propose some further tools and signposts for thinking with this framework wherever and whatever your specific political economic concerns are.